To check your transaction history on Whitefish Credit Union, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Whitefish Credit Union website and click on the Online Banking Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Account section on the dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select the desired account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. View transaction history. On the account details page, locate the transaction history or recent transactions option. Click on it to see a detailed list of all transactions made. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also find options to download or print your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Whitefish Credit Union. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.